All right, buddy, you ready to get out of here? We'll say hi to everybody. Hi, everybody from a distance. We're inside the bus. Zen and I are ready to pull up, and we're going to get past our dog holes so we can fill them in, and then we're out of here. All right, buddy, you ready to get on the road? I think he is. All right, brakes are ready and brakes are off. And let's get pulled ahead so we can fill up the last two little dog holes, or big dog holes. We've got to fill in our last dog crater, and we'll say goodbye to the neighbors, and we're heading to town. We got laundry to do before we get out of town. So let me get this hole filled up. And dog holes filled up, dogs on the bus, everything's packed up. Said goodbye to my neighbor. She's gonna move over my spot tomorrow and enjoy my tree. She did last year, she said when I left, she took my spot, so she's gonna be here for another little while. So we are on our way to town to get all of our dirty clothes, dusty sheets, blankets, dog blankets, pillowcases, everything washed out. So get the dust out of our system. So goodbye to our campsite. We'll see you next season somewhere out here. Laundry is done. Goodness gracious, took 4 loads. It was dirty. But now we're ready to get out of here. If I can get out, this guy in the van pulled up within like a foot beside me here. He didn't realize tail swing, so I gotta be careful when I pull out. All right, we cleared. Ooh, that was tight. Now we're on the road, heading towards Prescott. We got our air conditioners charged up. I did that in the parking lot there, put a can of Freon in. And now we're ready to get on the road. We get on I-10 and go east about 10 miles, and then we're going to the north. See you later, Quartzsite. See you next season. And time to put the hammer down. Looks like we got behind another schoolie with the same idea we do, heading up the same highway. 125 miles to Prescott, up through those mountains. Over 40 feet long, not recommended, it said. So that's going to be up elevation and some windy mountain roads. So let's get onto the road. Well, just some views of the roads. We're about 60 miles out of Prescott, and we got to go, I think, either around or up and over those mountains in front of us. So let's go for the journey, huh? We've been keeping about 60 miles an hour, not letting the bus get too warm. So it is pretty hot outside. Keeping the temperature down. right now we're stopped in Congress, Arizona. We're getting ready to go that way. I think we're going to go up that hill. So we're going to stop and have some lunch. Let the bus cool down a little bit before we start heading up. TomandZen, to give you a message. The upcoming video part will have a distorted sound because our microphone was showing green everywhere, but it did not record. So it switched back to the phone mic. So you have a lot of background noise. Apologize for that. From the time we had lunch until the time we got to Walmart, it was on camera mic. So sorry about that again. And let's get on to the regularly scheduled program. And we're back on the road. A quick sandwich, bathroom break, got my drink refilled. Bus is cooled down to normal temperature. We're about 3,000 feet, so we've already gone about 2,200 feet higher than what we were at Quartzsite. But yeah, we got to go up there. I can see some trucks coming down, so yep, that's where we're headed. Hope there's a pull-off along the way because I'm going to need a couple up on this bus. It's a double lane road. I didn't realize that. Another layer up on top coming down. We're going up the hill. Nice view from up here. It's really hazy today though. It's a pretty good road so far, real wide. Got a nice shoulder, so if we need to pull off. And a passing lane for all those people who want to go faster than 30 miles an hour. Yep, there it goes. There's my alarm. Starting to get warm. Right up here. There's where we were. Way back over there. This is the wild highway. I didn't know this highway was even here. But we're just a mile or two from the top. The bus was getting kind of slow and getting warm, so we decided to pull over and let it do its thing. But look here. It's one way going up. Where's the other road going down? It's like I said, it's a tiered highway, two things. There's a lookout up there. But yeah, it's a nice view up here. It's just too bad it's really, really hazy. There's the bus cooling off. It's doing good so far besides this 5 miles of uphill. I don't know what the grade is, but we're down to 20 miles an hour and foot to the floor. So we're going to get in and go a little further. Are you ready to go some more? We're just ready to getting up this mountain. I think we got about 18 miles. This pull off where vehicles longer than 40 feet are not allowed past this point. So we pulled off, and there's a big, huge evergreen tree right here. We're in the shade. Man, it's 80 degrees. It feels like wonderful out there compared to 95 to 100. Wow, pretty nice. It's gonna be a little cooler when we get to the top. We got about another 1,000 feet to go up over the mountains, so let's get moving. Range area, so I've got to watch for animals. I don't think we're going to be going that fast. When you see those signs that's got the number down below it, like 30, that's bus speed. That's no joke either. the 40-foot trucks are not allowed. Be a great road for a sports car, but not much for a sports bus. Beautiful views, man. It's a gorgeous valley through here. You probably can't see it very well, but gorgeous valley. A lot of mountains, a lot of trees. This is the Prescott National Forest. Right now they're trying to nurse this bus over the mountain because my check engine light came on. I did check the engine, it's still there. It's running pretty good, so see what happens when we get to Prescott. You gotta watch Walden's rear end because you get really close to that guardrail. It's a narrow road. See all those people going by and probably think, what stupid guy driving that bus up here? I kind of wonder that myself sometimes. Oh, there's that sharp corner. It's a pretty road though. Like I said, there's the other side of the highway we just came up on. Man, just a engineering feat to get these things put in. Holy cow. TomandZen is about to get sick. He's bouncing back and forth off the sides. All these curves. But we're getting there. We're going to rest at Walmart for a little while. I think we're going to need it. You ready to get out? Go get some groceries? There's some dog treats in there. Yummy. And we've had our dinner. Didn't do the in and out. Did a Carl's Jr. inside Walmart. So a little faster. Well, not faster, but a little easier to get to. And we're getting ready to go down the hill. Part of the hill we just came up to go find a campsite. And we'll see what we can find. We have made it to our camp. 7-day camping. My gosh, that was a trip to get here. There's the that's our parking area. That's the road over there. It's pretty back here, but holy cow, it's rough as a cob. And not made for big vehicles. First camping area we went to, we drug the toolboxes underneath, trying to go over a couple humps. And that. Got that little dent right there. And it was pretty sketchy. A lot of tents, a lot of old trashy stuff been there, and we decided, nope. So came down to another one, and here it is, this one. And poor Walden had a rough day. As we were going the wrong way and tried to turn around, guess what? Bump. Yep. We backed into a rock. I backed into a rock. Walden didn't, but I think that can be all straightened out pretty well. It didn't get into the body. That's the good point. It just hit down there and pushed the bumper. I got a big chain. I'm going to do it the old Arkansas way. Chain and a big tree. And we'll pull that sucker back out. I'll take this thing off and I'll work it back down and clean it up and spray it up. And yeah, it'd be all right. But yeah, this road was terrible. And these are all numbered campsites, so there's very limited camping, but it's pretty down here, quiet. We're not level. I don't care. I don't care. We've been driving all day, fighting the mountains and things. Got a little trash to pick up around, but we'll show you more of the camp later. So we'll see everybody up on the next one.